Some of the main reasons why we prune our cucumbers are to maximize the yield and the growth. So at some point in time, you need to prune your cucumbers, and this is how you prune your cucumbers. You just hold the part you want to remove to the base and you gently remove it. So if you can't use your hand, always use a sharp object like the scissors or the secateurs to remove it. Okay, so let's use this one. And you see the fruit forming from this side. Okay, so in order to help this fruit grow very well, you need to remove the other developing fruits around it so that the plant can focus on developing this one. This way it can yield good and the plant will also grow well. So like this one, instead of this one germinating, this fruit developing, there is a leaf forming beside the fruit. So in order to help this fruit grow very well, you need to remove or detach this leaf from the fruit so that the plant can focus on developing only the fruit and not the other leaves as well. So this is how you prune your cucumbers. Hope this be of help. Okay, there's one over here. You know, see, this is the cucumber developing and these are the tendrils forming beside it. So immediately you see that, you just remove the tendril, leaving only the fruit. Okay, yes, leaving only the fruit. Okay, so there are some here also. Gently remove it, leaving only the fruit. So that's all, and I hope to see you in my next video. Okay, so there's one cucumber developing over here. Move that one for the last time. This is the cucumber, and hold this one at the base and remove it, leaving only the fruit. Yeah, so thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.